a model of learning the online course, Creative Thinking through Learning Elementary Maths, according to the world-class standards for preparing teachers of mathematics. The development of creative thinking is one of the necessary components of the mathematics teacher's training. The same document also mentions that the development of all key qualities of a would-be teacher takes place while teaching normative and optional subjects. Elementary mathematics is one of the most important normative subjects while training students of the specialization, mathematics. The objective representing an educational model of the online course, Creative Thinking through Learning Elementary Maths, and it proving the efficiency of implementing this course while training students of the specialization, mathematics. A model of the online course, Creative Thinking through Learning Elementary Maths, represented in slide. The scientific novelty of the model is that all the traditional components of the course, theoretical, practical and feedback component, are focused on the organization of 4 activities with a special type of task, rich task. It is the activity orientation of the online course on the use of rich TAC that is the basis around which the course model was developed. The model includes 3 interconnected components of the course, theoretical, practical, and forum for feedback, and implies a motivated student's activity with rich task. The theoretical component of the course. This block includes the main theoretical data on each lesson that is necessary for the participants to achieve the goal of the course and audio presentations that explain the main theoretical questions of the course. The practical component of the course. This block includes practical tasks connected with the analysis of different aspects of developing creative thinking. The analysis of methods to learn elementary mathematics aimed at the development of creative thinking, comparisons, solutions, building rich tasks of elementary mathematics. Completing practical tasks of the course encourages such types of activity with rich tasks among students as recognition, classification, solution, and creation. Examples of practical tasks aimed at completing particular types of activity with rich tasks in slide. The efficiency to implement the online course was checked in April to November 2020. To confirm the homogeneity of the groups at the beginning of the experiment, diagnostic tests in elementary mathematics were used, which contained 5 traditional and 5 rich tasks. At the end of the experiment, the students were also surveyed using tests in elementary mathematics, which contained the same number of traditional tasks and all kinds of rich tasks. Fisher's statistical test was used to ensure that the difference between the results of the diagnostic tests in the control and experimental groups was statistically significant. The peculiarity and uniqueness of the course model is that 3 main components are determined: theoretical, practical, and feedback, that are aimed at students. Activity with rich tasks is a method to develop creative thinking while learning elementary mathematics. Posting the course on the platform, Higher School Mathematics Teacher, allowed providing access to it for a large group of students. The experiment showed that users' acquaintance with rich tasks and their varieties, open and integrative problems, organization of their activity on recognition, classification, solution, and creation of rich tasks encouraged the development of a problem statement, elaboration, fluency, flexibility, and originality. This allows us to argue for the effectiveness of the activity-based online course model. Expediency of introduction of a new type of tasks in the process of development of creative thinking in the process of distance learning of elementary mathematics, rich tasks. We see further perspectives in the development of the methodology to develop students' creative thinking while completing rich tasks. developing and testing the effectiveness of rich tasks for the formation of key competencies of the personality of high school students.